Early life. Jeffree Star, born Jeffrey Lynn Steininger Jr. on November 15, 1985, in Los Angeles, California, faced a challenging childhood. Raised by his mother, who worked multiple jobs, he had a tumultuous relationship with his father, who left when Jeffrey was young. Growing up in a single-parent household, he developed an affinity for makeup and fashion early on, often experimenting with his mother's cosmetics. Star's childhood was marked by bullying due to his gender nonconformity and interest in makeup. He embraced his individuality and began wearing makeup to school, which further alienated him from his peers. Despite these challenges, he found solace in art and music, eventually becoming involved in the local music scene. Music career. In the early 2000s, Jeffree Star pursued a career in music, combining his love for fashion and self-expression. He released his debut album, Beauty Killer, in 2009, which gained a cult following. His music, often categorized as electropop, showcased his unique style and aesthetic. Star became known for his flamboyant performances and visually striking music videos, which helped him build a loyal fan base. Star's music career flourished on platforms like MySpace, where he garnered millions of followers. He was one of the first artists to leverage social media for self-promotion, showcasing his music and personal style. His rise on MySpace paved the way for his future endeavors in the beauty industry. Transition to beauty. In the late 2000s, Jeffree Star shifted his focus from music to beauty. He began collaborating with brands and launching his own makeup line. His charismatic personality and extensive makeup knowledge quickly attracted a following on YouTube, where he began posting tutorials, reviews, and lifestyle content. In 2014, Star launched his cosmetics line, Jeffree Star Cosmetics, which became a significant player in the beauty industry. His liquid lipsticks, in particular, gained immense popularity, known for their vibrant colors and high-quality formulas. Star's brand emphasized inclusivity, offering a wide range of shades for all skin tones. YouTube stardom. Jeffree Star's YouTube channel became a cornerstone of his brand, where he amassed millions of subscribers. His candid and often controversial personality resonated with viewers. He created a niche by blending makeup tutorials with commentary on beauty trends, industry secrets, and personal anecdotes. Star's videos often included product reviews, makeup challenges, and collaborations with other beauty influencers. His ability to engage with fans and share his life story endeared him to his audience, establishing him as a prominent figure in the beauty community. Controversies and challenges. Throughout his career, Jeffree Star faced numerous controversies. His outspoken nature often led to conflicts with other beauty influencers, resulting in public feuds. Notably, his feud with fellow YouTuber James Charles in 2019 garnered significant media attention, leading to a broader discussion about the competitive nature of the beauty community. In addition to drama within the beauty world, Star has been criticized for past comments and behaviors that some deemed offensive. He addressed these issues in various videos, apologizing for his past and emphasizing his growth and desire to be better. Business success. Despite controversies, Jeffree Star Cosmetics flourished. Star's brand became synonymous with quality and innovation in the beauty industry. He expanded his product line to include eyeshadow palettes, highlighters, and skincare. His collaborations with other influencers and celebrities also generated significant buzz and sales. Starr's business acumen extended beyond cosmetics. He became a savvy marketer, utilizing social media platforms to promote his products effectively. His success led to lucrative partnerships and collaborations, solidifying his status as a beauty mogul. Personal life. Jeffree Star's personal life has also been a subject of public interest. He has been open about his sexuality, identifying as gay and advocating for LGBTQ+ rights. His relationships, particularly with his former partner Nathan Chavant, were often highlighted in his content. The couple's breakup in early 2020 was widely discussed, showcasing the emotional aspects of Starr's life beyond beauty, philanthropy and activism. In addition to his business ventures, Jeffree Star has been involved in philanthropic efforts. He has supported various charities, particularly those focused on LGBTQ+ issues, mental health, and animal welfare. His platform has allowed him to raise awareness and funds for causes he cares about. Impact on beauty in social media. Jeffree Star's influence on the beauty industry and social media landscape is undeniable. He helped pave the way for beauty influencers, demonstrating the power of personal branding and digital content. His success story has inspired many aspiring makeup artists and entrepreneurs to pursue their passions. His willingness to share his journey, including struggles and triumphs, resonates with many. Starr's ability to connect with his audience on a personal level has redefined the relationship between influencers and their followers. Conclusion. Jeffree Star's life story is a testament to resilience, creativity, and the impact of social media on modern entrepreneurship. From his challenging upbringing to his rise as a beauty mogul, Starr has navigated the complexities of fame, controversy, and personal growth. His journey continues to inspire countless individuals in the beauty community and beyond, demonstrating the importance of authenticity and self-expression in a world often focused on conformity.